Understanding your personal finances is crucial for a secure future. It's not just about knowing how much money you have, but also about understanding where it's going and how it's working for you. This awareness forms the foundation of financial stability and growth. It empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. With a clear picture of your financial situation, you can set realistic goals, create effective budgets, and make smart investments. This knowledge helps you avoid unnecessary debt and build a solid financial future. When you manage your finances well, you gain control over your life. This control allows you to plan for both short-term needs and long-term aspirations. You can save for emergencies, invest in your education, or even start a business. Financial management is a powerful tool that opens up numerous opportunities. This control reduces stress and creates peace of mind. Knowing that you have a handle on your finances means fewer worries about unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. It allows you to focus on other important aspects of your life, such as your health, relationships, and personal growth. Taking charge of your finances is like taking the driver's seat of your life. You steer your financial journey, making decisions that align with your values and goals. This proactive approach ensures that you are not just reacting to financial situations, but actively shaping your financial destiny. You decide where you want to go and how to get there. Whether it's planning for a major purchase like a home or a car, or setting aside funds for a dream vacation, financial awareness gives you the roadmap to achieve your dreams. It's about making deliberate choices that lead to a fulfilling and secure future. Whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably, financial awareness paves the way. It's the key to unlocking the life you envision for yourself and your loved ones. By staying informed and proactive, you can turn your financial goals into reality. It's never too early or too late to start this empowering journey. Regardless of your age or financial situation, taking steps to understand and manage your finances can lead to significant improvements in your quality of life. Start today and take control of your financial future. A budget is your financial roadmap. It's a crucial tool that guides you towards your financial goals, helping you navigate through your income and expenses. It helps you track your income and expenses meticulously, ensuring you know exactly where your money is going. Start by listing all sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, and any other earnings. Then, track where your money goes each month. This includes everything from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. Categorize your expenses, such as housing, food, and transportation. Analyze your spending habits to see where you might be overspending. Identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe you can reduce dining out or find a cheaper phone plan. This analysis allows you to make necessary adjustments and free up more money. By doing so, you can allocate more funds towards savings or paying off debt, bringing you closer to financial stability. Saving is crucial for building a secure future. It provides a financial cushion for unexpected events and helps you achieve your long-term goals. Whether it's an emergency, a dream vacation, or a comfortable retirement, having savings can make all the difference. Start by building an emergency fund to cover unforeseen expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to ensure you can handle any financial surprises. Set small, achievable saving goals to keep yourself motivated. Celebrate each milestone you reach. Automate your savings by setting up a fixed amount to be transferred to a separate savings account each month. This makes saving effortless and consistent. Explore different saving options like high-yield savings accounts, which offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts. Consider certificates of deposit, also known as CDs, for a secure way to grow your savings over time with fixed interest rates. Taking control of your finances is an ongoing journey. It requires discipline, commitment, and constant learning. Seek knowledge about personal finance through books, workshops, or online resources. Remember that small steps lead to significant progress. Celebrate your financial milestones no matter how small they may seem. You have the power to create a brighter financial future for yourself and your family.